don't have any kind of pattern here. Beautiful Corvair. I think they're getting ready to go, but let's have a look at this. All original. Wow. Just wanted to have a look at the Corvair engine. Wow. Yeah. Look at that, eh? Now we got a cool pickup truck here. Oh, wow. Is this like a Corvair motor in this?
It's a Corvair truck. So yeah, it's got a Corvair motor.
Yeah, okay, yeah. I never knew that. They had
They had the 2-door, the 4-door,
yeah,
convertibles,
yeah,
station wagons, vans, and pickups.
God,
One of each.
Holy cow! Using the same platform as basically
same engine, tranny, diff, yeah.
I've never seen one. Seen a lot of those. Seen a few of these. There's another version of this too, right? They came with a couple motors. Was there a turbo in one of these at one point?
Yeah.
That's one of the original turbo.
62 was a turbo, or
They had 1 year.
62 to 65.
Did they have to run some kind of rocket fuel or whatever juice? Did they have any kind of coolant, like a methanol?
The Oldsmobile that came out at the same time had to.
The Oldsmobile had that rocket
did.
juice, they called it, I think. Methanol.
Corvair figured you just ran out of nerve before it overheated at about 550. The buzzer goes off, I think, at 550 to say you're getting hot.
Oh, wow. Huh. Oh, that's so. What year is this one?
63.
Wow. And that came factory with that
Yeah.
opening there, eh?
They call it a ramp side.
Wow.
And they also made them without the ramp on the side. They called that a load side because you had to throw your load over the side.
Oh, I see. Okay, yeah. Wow. So you had riding lawnmower back in the day.
Riding lawnmowers, I don't think come.
I don't think they came with a, they existed.
70s,
Yeah.
But a lot of utility places like Bell apparently had a lot of these for rolling their cables in, reels of cable and stuff.
So heavy. Yeah, that just made it
makes
easy.
it good for people moving stuff. You know, a 2-wheeled cart right in.
How many cubic inch? 230 something?
No. This is a 164 in here now. It's not the original engine. The original engine would have been a 145 cubic inch, 80 horse. So this right now, it's a 164, 95 horse.
Okay. Wow. Huh. Automatic or standard?
No, it's a 4-speed.
4-speed auto? Manual?
Yeah.
No, do you let you drive that one?
Wow. Yeah, I haven't seen one of these. Oh, yeah, there we go.
Open the door if you want.
Thank you.
If it doesn't fall off.
Oh, look at that, eh? Yeah. Oh, man. So neat. Huh. That's great. Oh, look at that. The gas is there. Corvair. Yeah, well, that feels comforting to know.
Well, when you get rear-ended, it doesn't blow up.
I guess, yeah, you're in a good spot. Oh, that's so cool. Yeah, you got a whole Corvair clan here going on. That's awesome to see. Just
hoping for more.
That is, yeah. Oh man, that's what a treat.
For Corvair stuff. So just told them I should come here.
Wow. Well, I'm glad that is. There can't be many of these left.
They only made about 100,000 to start with. States, there's still a good number of them. Ontario, I know there's about 10 of them.
Yeah.
But most of them aren't on the road. I think there's the ones that I know. I think there's only 5 that are actually on the road. The other ones are off road.
Parts or just restoration.
And even the guys, they don't drive them much. There's another one in Bob Cajun. The guy drives a fair bit, but he's got like 20 different cars. But this one here, I try to take out anytime I can.
Yeah, wow. That's so cool. That's so
I called
cool.
Haggard, he said, "Can I bring it to work?" The guy says, well, why? I said, well, it shows I have to work on a couple of days. He says, okay, keep it under 5,000 miles. He says, bring it into work twice a week. So pretty
awesome.
Pretty easy on it.
Yeah. Wow, that is so cool.
So yeah, when I don't bring it, the guys at work are, where is it? Where is it?
Yeah. Neat. Well, that was so good. Just a treat to see. That's why I came here. That's awesome.
Might be out a few more times. I'm going to try
I'm gonna try and come out here again. It's good to get the shows back on the road again.
They don't have too many out here today, though.
Yeah, yeah.
I was actually shocked. I figured to be packed and you wouldn't be able to get in.
There's a few things going on though. I think probably.
Well, that could
You know.
a few other things.
Yeah, I was checking on my little car show thingy app. There's another show going on at the same time. I forget where it is, but it's not
And
far.
also with the price of gas, some guys, they just don't want to take them out of the garage. Like I know years before it was like one guy says, yeah, for me to come to a show, he says, I'm spending like $70 in fuel just to come out for a few hours. So now, the guy's probably not moving it.
Yeah, you gotta pick your days, I guess.
Take care.
Hey, see ya, thanks. Hey, I had to check this out. I've been looking at this Pontiac. I had a Pontiac Le Mans like this. It wasn't a sport coupe, but it had a 352 barrel in it. Same interior, everything. Wow, so cool to see. It didn't have the reverse here though. And what happened to that? Well, I I sold it, but I did do. I drove the piss out of it, and I went off road into a tree. The tree won. Look at that, the Nova there, eh? Chevelle. You see that? We got a guy here, Challenger RT coming. Oh, that's nice. Good to see. Looking at the old Firebirds. Look at this thing, eh? The old Chev. Okay, we're going to jump to the other side here. Let's just have a look and see what we're going to look at in a second. Back over to the Chevelle 396 that pulled in. Such a clean motor. You know, it says 396, but I wouldn't be surprised if this thing was like a 572, just to say, it's just a 396. All American racer, Cuda. Big blower on. Good, how are you? Hey. That looks... It's nice. Yours?
No, my buddy.
Your buddy's there? Hey, nice. Yeah. Really a 396? It is, eh? Okay. I thought maybe you just kind of put the sticker on there as a little... Yeah, you'd be the 450.
396, it's just not original inside anymore. It's got a few more horsepower, but it is.
Say again?
It's got a few more horsepower.
Oh, okay.
About 550.
Oh, yeah?
But it's still the original 396. Yeah.
So nice. Looks original. Looks good. Looks good. Oh, man. Eye candy. 572 Hemi, guys. With 4-speed. Whoa! I bet this thing just... I bet it can just torture these tires with a little flick of the toe on the pedal there. There you go, all original. Looks. At least the outside, stock appearing. Yeah, that's not so stock. Has he got a plate on there? Oh, yeah. Oh, it's fuel injection. Conversion, yeah, he does. Oh, that's so cool. He's got a fuel injection conversion on that V8. Then you got the new vet. The hood's up in the back. We got to take a look and see the goods here. Wow, that's nice. Nice, eh?
Totally, yeah. This is where they really changed it up, huh?
Wow.
Rear, engine, everything.
I love the dash.
I love that color scheme too.
Inside, yeah, the
Yeah,
metallic.
yeah. That's a new camera.
Yeah, it is. Pretty cool, eh?